My dear students, so today, welcome to my superintendent class NTSE. That is NTSE. Today I will teach you NTSE. Today I will teach you number series. Number series is very important and easy also. So we can get it. Number series, you can get the sufficient marks for this number series also. So number series, that basic principles you see, you will get it NTSE reasoning math paper, you will get number series in three patterns. Three patterns you will get it. Suppose one is complete the series. Complete series. Suppose this, you have to complete this one. This is given. Pattern I am telling you. You have to see. So then odd one out. Odd out. That means odd one out. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is given. Somewhere in same in some way. Any logic. And one is not with the same pattern or not in the same group, or it is called odd one out. Right, clear? Very principle, you know everything. Just I am giving a introductions. Then other is analogy. Analogy means similar relationship. Class 10 ones you know it better than. Suppose dash is to dash, then C is to dash. Like this. This is to this is to this. So accordingly, A to B, sequential problem. C to this, D. Like this, you will get different pattern of questions. Then I will give you the logic. It will be easier for you to know the clues. So all these clues, these patterns, I will teach you in one question so that it will be easier for you. Suppose you see, fundamentals is, just I am telling the fundamentals. You know the set theory. Set theory, you know it. Set theory. So logic comes from your school syllabus patterns. Not like others, banking, railway to job oriented exam. Or reasoning, this reasoning differs. So this is purely concerned with the school students. So you get logical questions from school syllabus only. So set you see, set A suppose this is the element x is equal to n square and n belongs to n. Right? Suppose then n less than 7 or less than 6, whatever it may be. Just example I am giving, you know everything. So if n is less than 7, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So 1 square, the logic is 1 square. That is 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, 5 square, 25. This is 36. Like this. Clear now? Now see why I told you about the set. This is also known as the, even for the algebraic questions you remember, basic clue is required. Not required to practice 1,000 questions. You practice 100 questions, you go to the grassroots level, fundamental, basic, and you make your own questions with the different angle of logic. So suppose example I show you 1, 4, 9, 16 dash. Not like number. You see that logic I told you, that is n square. So you have to find the logic n square. Right? So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. Continuous. So now this is the sequential logic for the series. Same I am converting to our order system. You see. Pattern 1, 4, 10, 16, 25. You see, if you get the clue n square, this clue, this logic has no limit at all. From one question I can drag you to the 50, 100 questions. You can make it also. So it is not fixed. Suppose you see 1 square 1, 2 square 4. This is 3 square, right, must be 9. Then we can proceed 4 square, that is also right. 5 square, right. So 4 square, 5 square, 2 square, 1 square. This is wrong. So this is odd one out. Now it is clear? Pattern I am telling you. Then logic will continue. Like same logic analogy. Suppose convert it into analogy. 4 is to 9. 5 is to dash. You see, This is 2 square, 3 square. Sequential. So 5 square, it will be 6 square. Same logic. But question, same pattern. So accordingly now I will give you some of the logic after practicing. So you can just see the question. So different logic ka, just to see the questions. Just I am telling you. Suppose I will give you 32. 32. So 32, then it will be 32, 34, then 37 dash. You see, 32 plus 2, 34 plus 3, 37, then plus 4, that is 41. Like this it will continue. So there is no problem. So it will be continuing like this. So accordingly, same 32, same 32, then 34, then 38. Then tell me the logic. 32 plus 2, 34. This is plus 4. कितना आएगा? 38. Then plus 8. कितना आएगा? Plus 8. You see? कितना आएगा? 46. If 46, here is the answer, you got it. 46. Right? So 38 plus 8, that is 46. Right? So same logic I am telling you. Suppose 31, 32, 34, then 38. Right? So 31 plus 1, 32 plus 2, 34, then should be plus 3, 37 and 38. Don't confuse it. Then 37 and 38 will be the further answer. So accordingly you see, if 37 or 38, so what will be the answer? Then you tell it. So just to see the logic, 34 plus 2, 34 plus 3. So plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. But what happens here? 34 plus 1, 32 plus 2, 34 plus 4. You see, you can write this logic A, B plus B. So no problem. So accordingly. So like this, if you go for the same digit, if you go for the same digit, suppose you see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 6, 1, 3, 2. You tell me the logic. Here, find the logic. Then only you can get it. 2, 3, 5. Logic, you can get it. So you see 1, 2, 3. So you can continue with the different logic question. Plus 3. Kitna? 126. Plus 6. 132. Plus 2. 134. But what the students will think? 3 plus 3. 6 plus 6. Kitna? 32. Then aega plus 9. That is 131. Students will be confused here. That's why the same but logic differ. So you should be very sincere to see the options. If 2 options out of 2, 1 will be there. So if this, then write 134. If this, write 131. But same logic for the lower class, it will be easy. Plus 3 plus 6 plus 9. But the higher class, it will be plus 3 plus 6 plus 2. This. Why? This unit digit is added again. So thoda sa you should be sincere. Right? So logic unlimited. So accordingly you see, I am giving you simple logic. 2 logic जो बोला है, suppose you give the logic of 2n plus 1. You see, 2n plus 1 5. 5 into 2 plus 1 11. Then 11 into 2 plus 1 23. Then 23 into plus 1 37. So what is the logic? 2n plus 1. Function of x, set theory. Then same question, 2, 5, 26. What is the answer? You tell it. Same 2, same 5. This is important. So simple question. Don't take it lightly that, oh yeah. So you should be very serious about this. 2, 5. That means 2, 5. Here see 2 square plus 1, 5 square plus 1, 26 square plus 1. It will be 677. Right? It will be 677. So like this you can practice different logic starting from 2. As per the time I am running speedily, so starting from 2, just you make your own question. What is the logic? N square plus 1, n square minus 1, 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1, n cube plus 1, n cube minus 1. Right? Like this you will practice all these questions so that you can get the answer. One more interesting I am telling you, just see. So that is 63, 18, 63, 18. So 63, suppose 63, 18, 6 into 3 कितना 18, 1 into 8 कितना 8. Clear? So 8 another 0 8, then I got 0 0. You see, simple principle A B. So whatever logic is there, how you know it? Same 63, 63, then I got 72. कैसे आएगा बताओ? 63, so that is 36 into 2, reverse into 2. You see, 63, 36 into 2. Here I got 27 into 2. कितना? 54. Then I got 45 into 2, 90. You see this logic? Very difficult. So you should practice it. You see the logic here. This is the dangerous logic. Right? So 6, 3, 7, 2, 5, 4, 90. If you plus minus, it will be confused. You cannot get any clue for this also. Plus minus ka, you will not get any clue. So it will be confusing to you. Right? So next, one more is, suppose 2, 3, tell me, 6, 18, then tell the answer. Right? You can find out clues. That is 2, 3, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 6, 18, 18 into 6, that is 108. Right? So this is the cumulative multiplication. Like this, a lot of questions you can get it by this process. That is, a lot of questions you can get it by this one. One more technique I am telling you, that 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple logic. How question changes just. Then 2, 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 2, 3, 6. What will be next? Just simple example. Basis cell. From that, how can I make different patterns of questions that you can try also. You can do it. Suppose. देखो 2, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3. What is the logic here? इधर करो 1, 3 plus 1 देखो 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7 is the right answer. Give me an example. 7. Just I am changing your C. Now you can imagine, immediately you can pick up it. 1, 3, 3, 5. 1, 4, 3, 6. What is next? You see? 7 plus 1 plus 1, 2, 2 कर दो. 12, 13, 14, 15, 34, 35, 36, 37. Very easy. Same question. One by other थोड़ा सा और आगे जाएगा. 1, 2, 4, 5 लॉजिक देखो. 1, 2, 5, 6. What is this? देखो कर दो. plus 1. Every each and color you practice it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 6. 4, 5, 6, 7. You see? So like this, you try to make whatever questions you are solving from the book, you can get one. You cannot go to all the corners. You got the right answer, get the marks. Nothing. You try yourself with making different questions from the same clue. So different angle, different logic, you find it out. So that you can be successfully, easily solve the questions. Then 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Suppose one more question here. Plus minus is very easy. And square cube is the very easy from the function of x. You can solve it. Suppose in different way. If suppose in different way, so it will be 90, 72, 90, 72, then 56, then dash, you see. So that is, you see here 9 square plus 1, difficult logic देखो. Here 9 square plus 1, here 8, 9 square plus 1, that is 9 square plus 1, 9 square plus 9. Here 9 square, then 9 square, other logic you see, 19, so that is 10 square minus 10, 9 square minus 9, 8 square minus 8, then 7 square minus 7, that is 7 square minus 7, 7 is 7 into 6, 8 into 7, check your answer, that is 42. If you get it, 10 square minus 10, 10 into 9, then 9 into 8, 8 into 7, 7 into 6. Easily by this way you can get it. So suppose from lower to higher or higher to lower, you can get it by this way. Suppose any questions come out. So 2 square, 2 cube, 2. I'm just telling you. 2 square plus 1, 5. 2 square plus 1. Then students will proceed with 5 square plus 2 plus 7. No. Then 5 square plus 2, 27. Then 27 square plus 2. So that is 27 square plus 2. So right. So 5 square, 12 square, 27 square. So accordingly you will practice it. That is 26 square, 27 square plus 2. That is 731 or 20 square. So here I am telling you 731. So here also 2 square plus 1. Here 2, 5 square plus 3. It can be 5 square 28 and it will be 27 square plus 3, 732. Here you see, what happens? Suppose n square plus 1, it will be fixed. N square plus 1, n square plus 1. This is one series. N square plus 1, then n square plus 2, then n square plus 3. This is one series. Right? Then I have n square plus 1, n square minus 1, n square plus 1, n square minus 1. You see, this is a series. Then I got n square plus 1, n square minus 2, n square plus 3, n square minus 4. So it is no limit. You can get different type of questions and different type of logic which is unlimited. But if you practice it, easily you can get the different logic. Right? So what I told you, this is n square plus 1, n square minus 1, n square. You take the numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 9 and you try to write your questions yourself. Otherwise, you can get if you solve number of questions, you can get the clue. You know the clue, logic, you try to make the questions. Then easily you can remember it. So one more things I am telling you. So details I cannot, it should be much more longer classes. Maximum classes is required so that it will have the clear practice. Otherwise it is confusion. जैसा टाइम्स का सेम लॉजिक का डिफरेंट लॉजिक आएगा. That time is required. After revision for all the chapters, I will give you the extra different type of questions, and questions I will give you through the Telegram channel. You can find the answers, evaluate yourself. Any doubt you can ask it, and after completion of classes, I will give you the different sophisticated, difficult logic on that way. Just to see 2, 4 plus 2. Then आएगा plus 4. कितना आएगा 8. Then आएगा plus 6, 14. Then आएगा plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. That is 22. Right? It is a very common sense. The lower class students, 6, 7 students can solve it. But if 2, then आएगा 4. Right? That is plus 2. Then plus 4, it will be plus 4, it will be 12. sorry, it will be plus 4, right? 4 plus 4, 8. But here 4, 10, then plus 6. You see, plus 6, that is 22. You see, that is 22. What will be the next? You see, so it is easy for lower classes. For the class 10, this is called cumulative addition. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 4, 2 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Then 2 plus 4 plus 6, that is 12. 12, 22. Then here I have 8. You will think of 8, but you will add it. That is 20 plus 20. It will be 42 is the right answer. You see how difficult is logic? If you not practice in this way, you cannot find the answers. So just go on practicing all these things. One questions, suppose example I have given you, then different types of questions are there. So just go on practicing. You can easily solve the questions. So no problem. So you just follow me sincerely and give the logic. Any doubt, you can ask me. I will give you the logic through our Telegram channel. Though government has closed the schools, it's difficult for the corona period, it's difficult to open the schools. So this online process is the only way, no other options to teach the students for the competitive test. So thank you all. Wish you all the success. Be sincere and be active and find out your own logic. You can send me, I will solve it. So see you in the next class. Next class I will teach you that the odd one out. Right? Okay. Thank you all. Best of luck.